Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Tesla Model 3 in sport mode. First, locate the car icon on your touchscreen display, usually found at the bottom left. Tap this icon to open the main settings menu. From there, navigate to the driving section. You'll see various options for vehicle behavior. Select Sport to immediately engage a more dynamic driving experience. It's a quick and easy way to transform your ride. When you activate Sport mode, your Model 3 undergoes several key changes. The steering becomes noticeably tighter and more direct, offering a heightened sense of control, especially during spirited driving. You'll also feel a firmer suspension, which reduces body roll and improves cornering stability. Most excitingly, the car's acceleration mapping shifts, delivering a more immediate and powerful response when you press the accelerator pedal. It truly unlocks the performance potential. Beyond just selecting sport mode, you can fine-tune other aspects of your Model 3 driving dynamics. For instance, you can adjust the steering feel separately, choosing between comfort, standard, or sport settings, even if you're not in sport drive mode. This allows for a personalized driving experience. Additionally, explore the regenerative braking options to set how aggressively your car slows down when you lift off the accelerator. Experiment to find your perfect combination. Engaging sport mode offers a thrilling and more connected driving experience, perfect for those moments when you want to feel the full capability of your Tesla Model 3. It's ideal for winding roads or even a fun track day, providing enhanced feedback and responsiveness. Remember to always drive safely and responsibly, regardless of the mode. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help keep you organized and fueled for your adventures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.